कॉमेडी को लोग इतना हल्का क्यों लेते हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री में?
But my dad loves that movie. I've seen that film a gazillion times.
I remember the last sequence.
And your dad is a colorful man.
Is it? I don't know anybody who's better in comedy than he is. Honestly.
I am stressed. I just love putting a Charlie Chaplin or Friends.
Yeah.
It gives you so much of peace. So many actions I have done. I've always, lot of time I've taken it from Tom and Jerry. I have done many changes because of lot of criticism also.
The idea for Khel Khel Mein Part 2.
Yeah. जोर से बोल स्कीम में बता दे लोगों को. This is a very funny film. And if I'm saying it, it is a funny film.
Yeah. Have you discussed, like Hera Fairy, of course, I believe is somewhere happening in the...
Even I believe.
Hi guys, this is Ramesh and welcome to Pink Villa. Today we have with us the team of Khel Khel Mein, Aditya Seal, Akshay Kumar, Vani Kapoor, Fardeen Khan, Pragya Jaiswal and Amy Virk. Welcome to Pink Villa guys, it's lovely having you here.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Now I want to start this conversation by saying a story. I remember in mid-2000s, probably in 2005, I was walking outside on the road and I spotted you in a car. I was a kid and I waved at you and you waved back at me. And I remember I went all across, like to say all my friends that मेरे को अक्षय कुमार ने आज हाई किया है. Cut to 2013, I played a contest on Twitter and I met you as a fan on the sets of Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, Dobara, in Film City. And now today, this is the first time that I am having a video interview with you. So thank you so for entertaining us for 30 years.
Thank
You are
you.
truly special.
Thank you very
Yeah.
much.
So I want to start the conversation with the first question. You have been around for 30 years. You have done roles across
precise,
genres.
33 years.
To be precise, yes. And you have done roles across the genres. But one genre which stands out is comedy. We all know, we all have our personal favorites in your filmography. Which is your favorite comedy film? One in which you have acted and one which of course doesn't feature
One
you.
which I have not acted in is पड़ोसन.
Yeah.
और एक जो मैंने खुद की है वो है गरम मसाला.
Garam Masala. Yes.
Because that's I think one of the most toughest film to act.
Yeah.
Because अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे, I was panting while doing the whole scene because I had to adjust 4 girls at one time, and it's a panting experience. And
The title says it all. Garam Masala.
yes, no, it is actually. I mean,
But my
because
dad
they're
loves
all-
that movie. I've seen that film a gazillion times.
I remember the last sequence.
And your dad is a colorful man.
Very. Not as colorful as you, but yeah.
It can't be also.
From within.
आज black pen can, but otherwise very colorful.
Yes.
Yeah, Garam Masala is an all-time favorite for me as well. What
Yeah,
about
it
you?
is.
You know?
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
a fun film.
Yeah,
I love
yeah.
that movie.
The
One of
last
the-
sequence याद है where Akshay sir is running
Yeah.
and the girls are behind him
Yes.
moving
Yeah.
jokes
Almost
as
grabbed
head.
him. Yeah.
बाल पकड़ के गाड़ी
There's
पे
so
रखे
many.
हुए हैं.
Even Hathi ka anda hai leke aao when Paresh sir tells. There's so many scenes.
Paresh was beautiful,
Yeah,
wonderful, and John did a great
Yeah,
job.
actually, I love your chemistry with John.
Okay. But when we talk of comedies, Khel Khel Mein is a comedy film. How do you all view comedy as a genre? Akshay sir has said multiple times that it is the toughest genre of everything he does. But for everyone else, how do you view comedy as a genre?
Well, I think it's one of the most difficult genres to crack. You either have it or you don't have it, you know, and to make it effortless with all that effort that you put into it, that's something that you need to crack. So
I
he
think-
aces it. I don't know anybody who's better in comedy than he is,
I agree.
honestly.
I agree. I think somebody who can make you laugh will never sit idle.
Yeah.
वो कहते हैं ना कि मतलब आप किसी को हंसा रहे तो ये पुण्य का काम है. Literally वैसा होता है. It's so entertaining. You have your hard day of work and just put on something which is funny and comedy, and all your stresses are gone away.
Yeah.
And nobody better than sir to do it.
True.
Laughter is a spontaneous reaction.
Yeah.
It speaks to truth. You know, we can't laugh without being, we can't think and just laugh
Yeah.
and pretend to laugh. So to actually get that, there has to be truth in the writing, and you got to not try and be too funny.
Yeah.
And to do that, as Akshay said, is extremely hard. And I think it was one of the greats who said, comedy is a very serious business.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but it's again, comedy all comes down to the writing, how you make it your own, and your
Timing. It's all about the timing. I
Yeah,
think,
connection
for
with your
sure.
actors. You know, we all work off each other. So it's
और मजे की बात ये है that आपका और मेरा sense of humor बहुत अलग होगा. I may laugh at different jokes, you may laugh
Yeah.
at different jokes, but to crack that mid space somewhere that you can cater to so many people together,
Yeah.
that's an art in itself.
True. Pragya, for you?
definitely one of the toughest genres. I think this is I think it's my first comedy film, and I think I was palpitating on set the first day. I was like, what am I going to do in this film? But thankfully, everybody was very generous and kind and made it easy for me. But yeah, it is very tough. To get that timing is a lot of effort.
Absolutely. Amy sir, आपके लिए
जी है मुश्किल कॉमेडी
इनके लिए बिल्कुल
बिल्कुल
नहीं
नहीं।
है। ये चलते
बिल्कुल
फिरते
नहीं।
इनके लिए आसान है।
बेसिकली आसान तो चलो कि आप सब एक्टर्स हो कर लेते हैं सब। कॉमेडी का ऐसा होता है अगर आपने कोई मतलब पंच आ गया या कोई आ गया मतलब वो हल्की चीज नहीं हो सकती इसमें मतलब कोई वो दायरा जैसा है मतलब अगर वो बहुत अच्छा है या अच्छा तो ही वर्क करेगा अगर वो मतलब थोड़ा सा भी नीचे है ना अगर वो मतलब वो फिर चीज ड्रैग लगती है उसके जब वो मतलब अच्छा प्लेस नहीं होता जैसे इमोशंस में कर लो आप एक्शन में थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे चल जाती है चीज कॉमेडी में अगर कोई वो पंच नहीं सही जगह पे टिक के आया अगर मतलब आपने वो चुटकुले पे लोग नहीं हंसे तो वो बहुत ही बुरा लगता है वो सीक्वेंस भी बहुत बुरा लगता है तो आपको मतलब वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ही करना पड़ता है जो भी चीज होती है नहीं तो उसको मतलब काट दो करो ना मतलब कोई मतलब बीच में कुछ है नहीं जैसे इमोशंस में एक्शन में चल जाता है बीच वाला मसला कॉमेडी में नहीं चलता कॉमेडी में यू हैव टू डू योर बेस्ट 100%।
कॉमेडी को लोग इतना हल्का क्यों लेते हैं हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हिमेश?
I personally love comedies.
लेकिन इतना हल्का क्यों लेते हैं?
I think कुछ section of लोग को लगता है comedy is buffoonery and for that reason but I
मैंने
personally
आज तक नहीं देखा है कि the best film award goes to कोई भी award night में so and so film which is a comedy film. और मैंने कभी नहीं देखा है कि कोई हीरो जो है कॉमेडी करता है उसको बेस्ट हीरो के रोल में दिया जाता है।
True.
ऐसा क्यों होता है?
I don't know. मुझे तो पर्सनली लग रहा है कि वी आर नॉट मेकिंग इनफ कॉमेडीज राइट नाउ इन
I think you should change it in Pink Villa Award night also.
sure.
Yeah,
हमें देना।
because people don't understand.
That's because we make it look easy.
You know, ask Charlie Chaplin. अभी तो चले गए वो.
Jim Carrey?
No, ask Jim Carrey. Ask
अक्षय कुमार
no वो
Mr. Bean.
Robin Williams is no more there.
Mr. Bean
या मैं बोलना या तुसी सारे बोल लो. Jackie Chan. You know, if you actually see Benny Hill, Three's Company, the kind of friends. If you see, I think I may say, whenever I am stressed, I just love putting a Charlie Chaplin or Friends.
Yeah.
It gives you so much of peace. Isn't that supposed to get an award for that?
Yeah.
I think I hope in my industry, people take comedy seriously.
I think this is a global issue because I remember when Jackie Chan also once gave a long speech. I think that time he said that comedy was always considered to be a B-grade genre in Hollywood and even in China. And he worked so hard over the years to finally bring it to the forefront, that action comedy.
But still, it has not got its due yet.
Yeah.
It has still not got its due. I don't think so. Even Oscars takes it.
Yeah. But I think it's the most highest rewarding genre. I'm not talking about money-wise, but it's the most longest living genre. आज आप भी पड़ोसन देख लो आप, you can still relate, you will still laugh.
Yeah.
There are n number of films that Hera Pheri देख लो आप.
Yeah.
To date, I consider Hera Pheri as the funniest film ever.
Yeah.
It'll stay
True. It's
forever.
It's a classic basically.
Absolutely.
For you, Akshay sir said his favorite film is Padosan and Garam Masala. He said Hera Pheri. What's your favorite comedy film?
Of his?
For his or both actually, his and otherwise.
Can I tell you one thing?
Yeah.
This is a very funny film. Not because it's releasing on Friday. This actually is a very, very funny film.
Yeah.
It has all the ingredients. एक जगह पे आता है थोड़ा सीरियस हो जाती है and again it leaves. The way it is written is commendable. It takes off in a very funny way and it goes and goes. It's very wonderfully written. Thanks to my director and the writer, he himself is there.
Yeah.
Mudassar, there he is.
पठानी में खड़े हैं.
Yeah. So this is a very funny film.
Funny film.
And if I'm saying it, it is a funny film.
Yeah.
And I can't understand what genre to say it because it has so much of drama also and so much of truth also. क्या कहानी है कि हर एक को पता है, you know, every human being एक दोगली जिंदगी जीता है. तेरे भी फोन, मुझे नहीं लगता तू मुझे एक दिन के लिए दे सकता है कि मुझे दे दे अपना फ़ोन खोल के दे दे और मैं पढ़ता रहूँगा. I don't think so. Anybody
Anyone
can
can
give
give it.
their phone for one day to somebody.
Yeah.
तू ले ले, तेरे से मैं कल लेता हूँ, ये खोल के दे दिया मैंने.
कोई नहीं
It
देगा.
is-
Yeah.
It is very, very, very difficult for anybody to give. And to make a film on that, I thought it was very fun.
Funny.
I think the phone knows you the best.
True.
Nobody-
That's how the ads come.
Exactly. Nobody knows you better than your phone does.
Yeah.
Just like to add that, you know, none of the characters have tried to be funny
Yeah.
or have tried to invoke. It's just
No
the situations and the
situations.
drama and the conflict. And as Akshay said, you know, the credit for that goes to the writing and the truth in it, which we, you know, are very grateful to have got this chance to work with Mudassar. And it's we can't wait for all of you all to see it.
6 days to go actually. So yes. But you know, we are talking about comedies. What's your favorite in that?
Too many, yeah. I love all Jim Carrey films. I love Hera Fairy. I've been asking him, nudging him कि next sequel कब आएगी. गरम मसाला, just
Yeah.
like how I told you, मैं अपने डैड के साथ बैठकर बहुत देखी. वो आप जितने कलरफुल नहीं है, right? देखिए. और कौन सी है? अंदाज अपना अपना used to love back in
Yeah.
the days. I was a big fan. Dil Chahta Hai. It had its own situational
Yeah.
comedy and all. So I like a little blend of drama, comedy, a little this, a little that, something or the other. You know, all the other elements that come together. I like that.
Out of my works, my personal favorite would obviously be No Entry.
No one.
That was my first foray into full-on comedy.
Yeah.
And it was a great learning experience, and it was a great team. And otherwise, the greats, Chaplin, Laurel and Hardy, Mr. Bean, Tom and Jerry cartoons.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah.
You know,
Anime.
so
No. Tom and Jerry is not comedy. Tom and Jerry
it's
is
violent
violent
comedy.
Situational comedy, sir.
No.
Violent
It's
comedy.
violence. It's violence.
But it makes you
I'll
laugh.
tell you something today. I'll tell you one secret. So many actions I have done. I've always, lot of time I've taken it from Tom.
Tom and
Really?
Jerry.
That whole helicopter scene, I had taken it from Tom and Jerry.
Oh.
And another one which I had taken from is National Geographic, where you get to see great action.
Good reference points.
Tom and
Very
Jerry is
unusual.
Yeah.
unbelievable, the kind of action they have.
True.
Hari, what is yours?
Ji Andaz Apna Apna has been my all-time favorite. Hera Fairy, No Entry, and Deadpool. I love.
Oh, I
Deadpool.
Deadpool also.
Yeah.
Love Deadpool.
Absolutely. And Amy sir, आपका?
मैंने भाई मतलब हेरा फेरी तो ऑब्वियसली वर्ल्ड क्लास सारे थी मतलब एक गोलमाल वाली सीरीज भी दिला दी
हाँ.
वो भी बहुत अच्छी है अगर हॉलीवुड ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੈਵਿਨ ਹਾਰਟ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕੈਵਿਨ ਹਾਰਟ लाइक ਤੁਸੀਂ चाहे वो लगा लो आप जो रॉक के साथ आई थी वो ऊपर से गिरते हैं जो
जुमांजी।
हाँ जुमांजी और वो एक दो और उनकी मतलब रॉक के साथ कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत अच्छा लगता है वैसे भी मतलब केविन हार्ट आई लाइक हिम मतलब
Okay.
उनकी सीरीज फिल्में भी बहुत अच्छी थी पीछे एक फादर करके फिल्म थी डॉटर के साथ वो बहुत अच्छी फिल्म थी लाइक इंग्लिश कम आती है और लेकिन जोड़ जोड़ के सीख लेते
Akshay sir, you know, through the 33 years, how has your approach changed towards taking appreciation and criticism? Both.
Oh well, it all depends on from where it is come. What is the person's background? What is the person has done anything in his life? How much it is done? And how? See, there are different kind of criticism. One is a personal criticism,
Yeah.
where the person goes personally.
Yeah.
One is the person who wants the person to improve, which he's saying it from his heart. So I like that kind of thing, which I take it in a very right way, and I understand it, and I go for it. I have done many changes because of a lot of criticism also. So when I hear a right criticism, when I understand it, and it makes sense to me, I will go for it.
Correct. And you know, we are in the era of franchises. What do you have to say about this entire industry discussion wherein people are saying franchisee filमें आजकल ज़्यादा friendly हो गई है for the audience, like because there is easy relatability for the audience with the characters. What's your take on this entire take?
It all depends on audience's mood. एक
Yeah.
बार अभी people का लोगों का वो बहुत मन उठा हुआ है रीमिक्स से, वो गाना उठा के रीमिक्स कर दिया, नहीं कोई नया गाना नहीं था, फिर वैसे ही इसके साथ भी ऐसे ही हो जाएगा फ्रेंचाइज के साथ. कि अरे यार ये तो वही है, कोई नहीं लेके आओ ना कुछ.
हाँ.
So you never know what can happen.
No, it's about managing expectations of our audiences. You know, they've already liked something and you're trying to give them something more of what they've already liked.
Yeah.
And that just helps in terms of getting your film out there and getting people to come and see it.
एंड इवन मोर डिफिकल्ट भी हो जाना, बहुत और भी मुश्किल हो जाता है. मतलब सुपर हिट फिल्म के लिए और ऊपर से कुछ अच्छा लेके आना.
हाँ.
मतलब जिम्मेदारी भी बढ़ जाती है ना.
Correct.
इट्स नथिंग लाइक कि सिर्फ टाइटल है आपके पास, आप कुछ भी कर दो लोग आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, पहले दिन आ जाएंगे. मंडे फिल्म में बोलना है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू डू योर बेस्ट. मतलब जिम्मेदारी और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. रीमेक, आई मीन सीक्वल बनाने में.
We've already cracked the idea for Khel Khel Mein Part 2.
मुदस्सर.
जोर से बोल. स्कीम में बता दे लोगों को.
अब तो now that's my next question. Have you ever discussed now that he said?
I was being funny. It's-
But Akshay, so you have so many franchises. What do you have to say about, you have I think 3 lined up in the next year. There is Jolly LLB, Welcome and Houseful, if I'm not wrong. So what do you have to say about doing these franchisee films?
Doing this franchise.
Yeah.
As you rightly said, people want to see franchises.
Yeah.
So I'm doing that. Whatever people says, we have to try and understand. But at the same time, I will not give up doing different kind of cinema also.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I feel I want to give to the audience what I feel they want.
Yeah.
It's a very simple thing. When Christian Dior or you can say Armani's or Gucci's, when they don't ask people कि तुमको क्या चाहिए अगले fashion में.
हाँ.
They make their own thing.
Yeah.
They think that this is what the audience would want to have.
Yeah.
And that they give it. So I also want to do the same way. I think my audience would like to have this. I'll give it. Whether I succeed or not, many times I have succeeded, many times I've failed.
Yeah.
But that doesn't tell me to not just stop doing it.
But there are, like Vani also said, there's one franchisee which the world is waiting for. That's Hera Fairy.
Yeah.
And another one which I'm waiting for is the one you took the name is Garam Masala.
Right.
Have you discussed, like Hera Fairy, of course, I believe is somewhere happening in the.
Even I believe so.
And Garam Masala, if
Garam masala.
you do.
अभी तक तो कुछ पता
Kuch baat nahi hai. Okay. So now, because the film is called Khel Khel Mein, there's a segment, a fun game segment, which is related to the film industry, and we'll see who
wins it
wins
and
it.
win a hamper.
He wins a hamper. ठीक है. So there are 2 rounds in this, quick
नहीं
rounds.
हारना.
मैं तो इशारे कर
Dialogue से आपको film guess करना है. So I'll say a dialogue and you have to guess the film name from that. And उसके साथ अगर कोई short memory बोल पाए तो if there is any memory you can share a memory.
I'm definitely losing this round.
सेम है सर. मैं
Bring it on,
आपके
bring it
साथ
on.
ही.
I think
We'll have
it's
fun with it.
easy. ठीक है. The first one, उसने ऐसा कुछ खा के फेंका, मुझे लगा सीताफल है लेकिन ये तो बॉम्ब निकला.
भागम भाग.
Yes. परेशान. One. First point is to Akshay sir.
आदि और भाजी में से एक. 100%. आप दोनों में से एक जीते.
हम लोग टीम में
ना पार्टी हम
नहीं,
टीम में
solo.
नहीं
नहीं,
मैं टीम में
सोलो
हूँ.
सोलो हैं.
मैं
मतलब
टीम
ऐसे
में
बोलो
हूँ.
कि
तो
वो
ये
जीतेंगे
दोनों
उनमें
टीम
से.
में हैं,
हाँ.
हम सब सोलो.
बाकी सारे साथ
Okay.
हो जाओ.
कोई नहीं, सब सोलो है.
सब
3
solo
and
हैं.
3.
चलो.
Listen, this team is already.
100%
Looking at the hamper.
3 minds are better than
think-
1, no?
You want to?
हम जीतेंगे.
3 minds are still better than
आधा
1.
आधा तू ले ले.
हाँ.
Any memory with that scene? The cab scene.
Yeah, I remember it. We shot it in London. This line was given by Neeraj Vora, who's no more with us, and a brilliant writer. Learned a lot from him. Actually, in comedy, I learned a lot from him.
Yeah.
And I remember the scene happened even the day. मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि वो थोड़े दिन पहले ही हुआ था वो सीन. बल्कि जबकि हो गए होंगे करीबन 14 साल हो गए उस सीन को हुए हुए. 14-15 साल हो गए. That Bhagam Bhag itself is also a very funny film.
Yeah.
It's a very funny film, and it was so nice to act with Govinda after a long time.
Yeah. The first scene also, Bender गई.
Bender
गई.
Bender is an epic one.
बट ये लाइन भी क्या है? सीताफल था, निकला बॉम्ब.
Okay. Next one. राम राम ये पत्नी है कि पनौती है?
राम राम ये पत्नी है कि पनौती है?
Is it पति पत्नी और वो?
No.
No.
Mudassar, any help?
और वैसे भी तुझे कौन सा पता है बताइयो ये आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू हेल्प
The very difficult ones.
It's a
Jahi
very
Mesh.
easy.
अक्षय
नहीं
सर
है,
की
पर-
film
It's
का।
not Akshay sir,
No, no,
but
it is not.
yeah,
I mean, ये तो life में
राम
सुनते
राम ये
हैं.
पता नहीं है
it's a very
It's a
popular
very
comedy.
common line.
Is it latest
I don't
or
know
is
which
it
one is
पत्नी है या
wrong.
पनौती
हेरा
है?
फेरी
No,
नहीं नहीं
याद आ गया एच से
yeah,
एच से इसकी अपना
हाँ।
अक्षय खन्ना की
हाँ,
हलचल हंगामा
हंगामा
सेम
मैंने
टीम
बोला।
सर हम सेम टीम सर ये क्या बात हुई
नाम इसने लिया, so 1-1.
One all.
Okay, next one. ये very easy है. This is a very easy one. तुझे क्या लग रहा है हम यहाँ पे black खेल रहे हैं?
हेरा फेरी
No. This is a very
ओह यस
easy one.
गोलमाल
Yeah. He said he doesn't know anything and he's
नहीं नहीं आई नो ऐसी बात
He
नहीं है।
knows.
मैंने बोला
Okay,
ना, इनमें से
2-1.
जीतेगा कोई।
ठीक है. Next
You
one.
won it. Sorry, 0.
Yeah, 2-1 and 0. Next one. मैंने देखा गोटी.
भूल भुलैया
Okay, who gets the?
अरे हम सेम
इसको-
टीम
हाँ।
है सेम टीम है सर और मैं
ठीक है. 3-1-0-0-0-0.
आप वहीं दे दो, भी hand पर
this
दे
team
दो,
is
हम
zero.
हार रहे हैं।
Yes,
Okay.
okay.
Next one. This is a tough one. So I'll give a okay. First I'll say the dialogue. बेटा जा सूरज को घूस दे और उससे बोल अपनी जगह चेंज कर ले.
We need some context
Okay.
to it, yeah.
The it's an Akshay sir film and he tells someone कि सूरज as in sun को घूस दे और उससे बोल अपनी जगह चेंज कर ले.
वो तो हिंदी समझ में आ
ये
गया.
अक्षय सर की
वो
film है।
समझ
No,
में
no.
आ
I'm saying
गई.
it's your film.
वो पता चल गया
हाँ,
कि सर की फिल्म है, पर
ये
Actress कौन थी film में?
लाइन मैंने बोला है
हाँ ये आपकी डायलॉग है.
तीसमार खान
Yes. कटरीना.
जी यार हाथ दो की ऐसे अपनियां भी ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿੰਨੀਆਂ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ आई मीन बहुत सारी फिल्में की हैं आपने
तो लाइना याद नहीं यार ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਵੈਸੇ ਲਾਈਨਾਂ ਯਾਦ ਨਾ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਫਿਰ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ
पढ़ के बोलते हो
ਫਿਰ ਵੀ याद है
ठीक है. 3-2.
हाँ
ठीक है. And last one and उसके बाद में we'll take another round basically. The last one. कौन सा वाला दूँ? Easy वाला और tough वाला? I have two options.
कुछ भी
टफ
बेटा
टफ हम कौन सा जीत रहे हैं टफ
ओके ठीक है. इसके हाथ में सोने का लोटा दिया फिर भी ये भीखी
हेरा
मांगे-
फेरी।
फिर भी ये
भीखी मांगेगा.
ये हेरा फेरी
हेरा फेरी
partially
लग रहा है
right.
यार।
ठीक है. I'll give you the point. It's yeah.
तू मतलब पर
फिर
है
हेरा
तो
फेरी।
हेरा
फिर
फिर
हेरा
हेरा
फेरी।
फेरी। I know यार, I've
लगा
seen
फिर
it so
हेरा
many
फेरी।
times.
3-2
कुछ
1
तो मिला guys,
0
come on.
0
Applaud
1 2
कीजिए।
3
एक
yeah
point
1 2 3. ठीक है. Now
One point.
0 1 2 3
0 1 2 3. ठीक है. Now quick last round, final round. I'll say the lyrics of a song in English.
And we have to convert it in Hindi.
Hindi.
Interpret.
And-
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
मैं तो भाई जी
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ
पाड़ देता
ਲਓ ਜੀ
We will not break this friendship. We
ये
will.
दोस्ती हम ना तोड़ेंगे
दोस्ती हम
हम नहीं
नहीं
तोड़ेंगे।
तोड़ेंगे.
अक्षय सर, you decide whom to
Yeah,
edit.
yeah,
तेरा
yeah.
साथ ना
ठीक,
छोड़ेंगे.
पीजे
One. ठीक है. 1 0 1 2 3.
I'm fighting.
Okay. Next one. In the moon, hit the cloud, blush and come, hide in my arms.
चांद छुपा बादल में.
हाँ
Well
वेरी गुड
बल
टीम टीम
हो गया हो गया हो गया
मुझे लग रहा है कंपटीशन हो.
2 1 3.
गुड ये वेरी गुड
You're the
Next
captain
one.
now.
I think Akshay sir will guess this one
ऐसे क्यों बोला?
because I
उनकी
think so.
फिल्म का है।
Don't
Yeah.
think.
चलो
Just
चलो
ask.
Done. Okay. What's the big deal with money? Why
पैसा
does-
पैसा पैसा करती है क्यों पैसे
तुझे
पे मरती
ऐसे
है
क्यों
Yeah.
मरती है? No.
Yeah, it's this song only.
हाँ तो.
Yeah,
correct
but
one.
she said it first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's okay, you can take it, yeah. I'm okay. Take the point.
ठीक है. Next
No,
one.
he's the empire. He
Yeah.
decides. मैंने तो सुना
3
ही नहीं.
3
I'm
2
just being
1
super loud
3
so
3
that
2 2
nobody.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Next
शाबाश,
one.
शाबाश,
This
very
is a
good.
very quirky song and one very funny song.
तू कुछ ना गैस करी
ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ ਰਹੀ
तू कुछ ना करी
I mean, say
ठीक है. Next one. Don't shoot arrows from your eyes.
अखियों से
अखियों
बोलिए।
से।
अच्छा
आगे
अच्छा
आगे.
पूरा
Take my life as it is, my love. May it not come out. May it not come out from my body.
जानना
रिपीट द थिंग अगेन
Don't shoot arrows from your eyes.
तीर आंखों से
तू अखियों से गोली नहीं
नहीं नहीं तीर है ना गोली
तीर
नहीं
है
है
गोली
आगे
थोड़ी है
take my life as it is my love. May it not come from my body.
चलाओ ना अखियों से बांध रे नान रे
Very good,
रोला
Vijay
जावा,
Dhawan.
Well
जान
done,
ले।
TJ.
So proud of you.
क्या बात है?
So proud of you.
Yeah.
Well done.
Okay, final one. Okay. I'll say easy one. So जिसने सबसे पहले बोला. We have 4 days to live.
This was
चार-
was the guy दिन की
We-
जिंदगानी.
No.
नहीं.
We have 4 days to live, and the rest are of no use.
जाए एक
हाँ।
बार जो जाए
जवानी फिर ना आए.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah.
जीने के हैं 4
4
दिन.
days. जीने के हैं 4 दिन.
तो ये जीत गया.
Yes, the winner is
Oh shit!
Aditya.
Am I number 2?
You
Yeah.
are second. Yeah.
No. They both are second.
नहीं, I
No, no.
won't count.
I sang so
4,
much.
3,
sir.
3, 2.
0.
There are no hampers for
very
number 2,
good.
right? There's
हाँ,
only
हमारा
one
बनता है।
hamper.
Only
Right?
one
There's
hamper.
only
Yeah.
one answer.
I think
हमारे
imagine.
लिए है award.
Aditya C.
Well done, Adi.
Very good, Adi.
स्पीच देनी है मुझे.
बता दूं
victory speech.
इनमें से कोई नहीं खाने वाला, ये सिर्फ मैं ही हूँ.
ये
Yeah,
मैं
we can
वानी
do
के
it
सामने घुमाऊंगा ना, अभी खत्म हो जानी है.
ये देख इसमें से काजू मैं ले लूंगा.
ले लीजिए सर.
बाकी
क्या मखाना?
राजू को काजू.
नहीं,
मखाने तो
chips,
खा
क्या?
जाओगे
नान
सारे.
चिप्स.
Guys,
नान चिप्स.
ठीक है.
तो हम तो एक ही बिल्डिंग में रहते हैं, ले लूंगी मैं घर आके तेरे
Done.
डायरेक्टली.
लो बेटा.
लंबी
And congratulations.
Thank you.
And before we sign off, Akshay sir, a quick 5, as your fans will kill me if I don't ask you these
Quick
quick
5.
5 things. I'll just name the film, you can give a quick answer on that, like update, one update. Jolly LLB 3.
Movie over.
Oh, next year we'll see.
Only songs left.
Okay. Houseful 5.
Not started. Going to begin next
Okay.
month.
Welcome to the jungle.
40% over.
40% over. Hera Fairy 3.
Not started yet.
Hopefully we'll start.
Hope so.
And last one, an action film. Raw. They love the word raw. Real action film.
Under talks. Maybe by next year.
Fingers crossed. Perfect. On that note, thank you so much, guys. It
Thank
was
you.
lovely speaking to you all.
बहुत-
And wish you all the best for Khel Khel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.